numbers to 1000. Three-digit numbers are made from hundreds, tens and ones. 547 has tens here, ones here, and the 5 in front is the number of hundreds. So the number 547 is made up of 5 hundreds, 4 tens, and 7 ones. We can also write that 547 is 500, add 40, add 7. What is 258 made up of? Pause the video now before going on to hear the answer. 258 is made up of 2 hundreds, 5 tens, and 8 ones. We could write that 258 is equal to 200 plus 50 plus 8. Here we have an abacus. To represent hundreds, we need a third spike. Hundreds, tens, and ones. Let's look at 547. We need to put 5 beads on the hundreds, then 4 beads on the tens, and 7 on the one spike. 258. Think about this, pause the video if you need to, and then restart before we go through the answer. For 258, we need 2 on the hundreds, 5 on the tens, and 8 on the ones. Fill in the missing numbers. The first one is done for you. So 512 is 500. Add something, add 2. It's the middle one that's missing, and we know the 1 here is 110. So we're going to put 10 on the line here. Now try the following. Pause the video while you do them, and then I'll go through the answers when you restart. For 434, the missing one is the middle, the 3. So that's going to represent 30. Here, it's the last one we've missed out, the 9, which is 9 ones, or just 9. Here it's the first one missing, the 3, which represents 3 hundreds. And here it's the middle one missing, the 3, which represents 3 tens, so that's 30. What numbers are represented on each abacus below? Pause the video while you do this, and then when you restart, I'll give you the answer. This one here has 6 beads on the hundreds, 2 on the tens, and 3 on the ones, so it's 623. Here we've got 4 on the hundreds, 4 on the tens, and 5 on the ones, so that's 445.